Good morning this Thursday, the 8th of August. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street's rollercoaster week extended into the midweek session as stocks went from rally mode on Tuesday to a sea of red on Wednesday as investor fears of recession drive investor sentiment in the current market conditions. The Dow Jones fell 0.6% on Wednesday, the S&P 500 dropped 0.77%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq ended the day down 1.05%. Supermicro computer shares tanked 20.1% on Wednesday after the server company missed Q4 earnings estimates, while Shopify soared over 22% after the e-commerce giant beat expectations for Q2. Over in Europe, markets closed higher on Wednesday in the best performance for the region for more than 9 months. The Stoxx 600 rose 1.56%, Germany's DAX climbed 1.47%, the French CAC added 1.9%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day up 1.75%. Puma shares tumbled over 11% in Europe on Wednesday after the sportswear company released Q2 earnings results and reduced its EBIT forecast for the full year. The Asia markets extended gains in the region on Wednesday as Japan's Nikkei continued its recovery with a 1.2% rise, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng added 1.3% and China's CSI index ended the day flat. China's trade balance data out yesterday indicated a stagnated recovery in the region's trade for July, with imports rising 7.2% in July while exports rose 7%, which missed expectations. Locally on Wednesday, investors took confidence from Wall Street's recovery on Tuesday into our local midweek session, resulting in the key benchmark ending the day up 0.25% as all but two sectors ended the day in positive territory. Investors are focused at the moment on corporate earnings results and rate outlook, with subdued trading volumes locally, indicating investors are sitting nervously on the sidelines, assessing economic outlook and the rate cut forecast. Arcadium Lithium was the best performer on the ASX 200 yesterday after the company announced it will suspend or delay a number of its projects in Argentina and Canada amid the persistently depressed lithium spodumene prices. GQG Partners rose 3.3% yesterday after the fund manager reported funds under management increased almost 0.5% month on month to $156.3 billion as of the end of July, implying net inflows of $13.9 billion for the year to date to July 31. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 3.13% higher at $75.48 a barrel. Gold is flat at $2,383 an ounce, and iron ore is down 1.27% at $102.86 a ton. One Aussie dollar is buying 65.15 US cents, 95.51 Japanese yen, 51.52 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 9 cents. Ahead of Thursday's trading session on the ASX, the SPI futures are anticipating the local market to open the day down 0.43%, taking lead from Wall Street's turbulence overnight. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has decreased a 12-month price target on Neuren Pharmaceuticals from $28 to $25, but maintain a buy rating on the biotech company developing drugs and key treatments for key neurodevelopmental disorders following the release of the company's Q2 results, including its debut drug sales rising 11% Q-on-Q or quarter-on-quarter to $84.6 million and treatment persistency continuing to track towards 50% long term. The decrease in the price target by Bell Potter's analysts was due to the company's distribution partner, Arcadia, decreasing the CY24 sales guidance of Neuren's debut drug to $340 to $370 million from $370 million to $420 million. And that is all for this morning. Have a terrific day and happy investing.